Has your jacket zipper ever suddenly stopped working? It's a common problem that often leads people to replace an entire jacket, bag, or even a pair of pants, even though the zipper can usually be repaired with a simple fix. If you're dealing with the same issue, don't buy a new one just yet. In this video, I'll show you an easy and effective way to repair a damaged zipper using a simple method and a few everyday household items. It's quick, practical, and could save you the cost of replacing something that still has plenty of life left. The first step is to check for any loose threads around the zipper. This is a common issue on jackets, bags, and pants that have been used for a long time. Even though it may seem like a minor problem, don't ignore those loose threads. They can easily get caught in the zipper slider, causing the zipper to jam, the slider to come off, or the zipper to become damaged again over time. To prevent this, carefully melt the loose thread with a lighter. This works better than simply cutting it with scissors because the heat seals the end of the thread, preventing it from unraveling and helping it stay securely in place. Inspect the entire zipper carefully, especially the area close to the zipper teeth. Make sure there are no loose or frayed threads. If you find any loose threads, carefully seal the ends with a lighter. This simple step helps prevent the threads from getting caught in the zipper, keeping it running smoothly and reducing the risk of future damage. Now, take a close look at the zipper slider. As you can see, the metal has started to spread apart and become loose. This is a very common problem after a zipper has been opened and closed countless times, causing the metal to gradually lose its grip. To fix it, use a pair of pliers and gently squeeze both sides of the slider to tighten it again. Apply pressure gradually and avoid squeezing too hard, as this could affect its shape. Once tightened, the slider will grip the zipper teeth more securely, allowing the zipper to work smoothly again. Take a look at the final result. The zipper is now fully closed and working smoothly again. With this simple repair, you can avoid replacing your jacket, bag, or pants and save money. Before we move on to the next tip, I'd love to know where you're watching from. Let me know your country in the comments below. I'm always excited to see how far these videos reach and connect with people around the world. I hope this simple trick is helpful not only for you but also for your family, friends, and anyone who might need it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple and practical DIY tips. Now it's time for the second tip, one that surprisingly few people know about. It's a simple trick that can be incredibly useful, especially if you enjoy fixing things around the house or working on DIY projects. Did you know that toothpaste has a hidden use that most people have never heard of? When repairing broken items or working with super glue, it's easy to accidentally get some on your fingers. Before you know it, 2 or more fingers can become stuck together. Most people instinctively try to pull them apart, but that's one of the biggest mistakes you can make. Forcing them apart can damage your skin and leave painful injuries. Now I'll show you a safer way to separate fingers that have been accidentally stuck together with super glue. First, place the stuck fingers in warm water. While they're in the water, gently rub the fingers against each other. The warm water helps soften the glue on the surface of the skin, making it easier to separate your fingers. Next, apply a small amount of toothpaste to the glued area, then dip your fingers back into the warm water briefly. Gently rub your fingers together to help the toothpaste reach the small gaps between them. The combination of warm water, toothpaste, and gentle rubbing can help reduce the glue's grip on the skin, making it easier to separate your fingers without forcing them apart. Keep rubbing gently until your fingers come apart. This method is much safer and helps reduce the risk of injuring your skin by pulling the fingers apart too forcefully. For the final step, gently pull your fingers apart. Since you've already used warm water and toothpaste, The process should be much easier and helps reduce the risk of hurting your skin by forcing the fingers apart. Once your fingers are separated, you'll usually be left with only a thin layer of dried glue on the surface of your skin rather than any cuts or injuries. There's no need to worry. The remaining glue will typically peel off or wear away naturally over time with normal daily activities. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.